Today we're going to be changing out the third brake light with a customized one that we got on the internet. This one has an LED bulb in it also. I'll show you how to do it. Now, to get this off, without breaking them, you just pull forward and pull out. Okay. I just loosened this one, but you pull from the back and pull down. We have to undo our light right here. Just pull that out. Okay. So this back here has two clips right there that holds it in. So get our hand in here. Right there, just press on it. And let me get the other one over here. Okay, and now I'm going to undo the bulb. So that just comes out. Here's got a little bit of a gasket here. Put it in, and you can see right here. Snapping it right in, like that. Put this right in like this. And now we're going to give it a try. Trunk light. And put this over here like this. On this side over here, you have this piece that has to go in as well as this piece. So let's line it up to the hole. There we go. Should have put my bifocals on. And get this one to line up. And that's how you change your third tail light with a customized tail light, or if yours breaks and you want to go to the junkyard and get another one. If that's the case, then that should help you out. If this video did help you out, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.